Regular descaling keeps the Vertuo Up Solo ink performing at its best by removing internal limescale buildup. It ensures great-tasting coffee and extends the machine's lifespan with a simple, guided process. How to descaling. When the maintenance button turns steady orange, it indicates that descaling is required. The process takes about 15 minutes and requires 1 Nespresso descaling solution, 0.6 liters of water, and a 1.5-liter container. Start by ejecting any used capsule, emptying the maintenance module, and filling the water tank with 0.6 liters of water mixed with the descaling solution. Place the container under the coffee outlet, turn on the machine, and enter descaling mode by holding the maintenance button for 3 seconds, then pressing it twice when the coffee button turns blue. Close the lever and press the orange coffee button to begin the first descaling cycle. Once completed, empty the container and maintenance module. For the rinsing cycle, rinse and refill the water tank with fresh water. Place the container back under the outlet and press the orange coffee button again. After the machine finishes rinsing automatically, rinse the water tank, empty, and wash the maintenance module with hot water and mild detergent, dry it thoroughly, and wipe the machine clean. The Vertuo Up is then ready to brew coffee again. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Vertuo Up coffee machine. See you at the next one.